Industries in Kansas City are scaling faster than their systems can support, and the cracks show up long before leaders expect them. When 83% of companies say their technology no longer meets evolving needs, the issue is not tools alone. It is visibility, decision speed, and operational confidence eroding under pressure. As Ryan Pekin, Senior Consultant CIO, CISO Services at OXEN Technology puts it, technology should move at the speed of the business, not hold it in place. Across healthcare, finance, and technology, growth exposes spreadsheet dependencies, disconnected platforms, and fragile workflows that quietly increase risk. Healthcare feels it in uptime and staff workarounds. Finance absorbs it through rigid systems that slow reporting. Manufacturing runs into limits when production outpaces system awareness. Technology firms feel it when speed wins early, but structure never catches up. Managed IT shifts these outcomes by restoring clarity, accountability, and operational alignment. You can read the full article on our website and add this to your Spotify playlist to revisit how Kansas City organizations are turning IT into a steady advantage rather than a daily concern.